9. About the train.
So, Bob, do you take the train often?
Yes, Al. Almost every day.
Almost every day? That's a lot.
Well, I enjoy the train. It's very convenient.
I see.
And it's the fastest way to travel across town.
Are there many people on the train during the rush hour?
Well, there are many people in the morning before work, and there are many people in the evening after work.
What about other times?
At other times, no, not so many people.
And there's never a traffic jam?
On the train, there's never any traffic jam.
Oh, that's good.
It's the fastest way to travel.
Yeah, you know, I think it's faster than driving a car.
And the train is not very expensive.
Hey, Bob, look at that sign.
The university? Uh-oh. We're waiting for the wrong train.
We're on the wrong platform, teacher?
Yes, we're on the wrong platform.
So now, what do we do?
Well, we can take a taxi. Taxis are good.
Yes, taxis are good. Let's take a taxi. And we won't waste our time waiting for the wrong train. Do you take the train often?
Yes, Al. Almost every day.
Are there many people on the train during the rush hour?
And the train is not very expensive.
Hey, Bob, look at that sign. So now, what do we do?